I've already been attacked by a monkey. He was going straight for my bag, probably my water, I don't know. He was holding on to my bag. He was trying to carry it for me. Okay.
No breaks.
I don't want to make a YouTube video where I get attacked by monkeys, so we're gonna put the camera away and we'll see you at the top. We're basically going to do the tiger cave climb or hike to the temple. It is a daunting task, but if you've ever been to Coco Head, that hike supposedly is actually higher. We'll see, I'll let you know, but that's a tough hike too. And this one out here is not for the faint of heart. So we are going to see how hard it is, and you guys are gonna get to see it firsthand. So how do you feel? How do you feel?
I don't feel accomplished yet. We ain't there yet.
I feel like I made it.
Come on, we're 400 steps away.
I'm quite satisfied right now.
400 steps away. Come on, long ways to go.
1, 2, 6, 0. Mark time. 38 minutes. 800 feet. Holy cow. Okay, so we finally made it up these 1,260 steps. I'm not gonna lie, it was hard. It took about 38 minutes, as you can see, and that does not count breaks. I took a lot, but it is straight up. So you gotta take your shoes off. But once you get here, you're greeted to 2 amazing temples. Cut. Okay, babe, so what do you think? Look at this backdrop back here, guys. Absolutely amazing.
It was worth the hike.
Worth the hike?
Yes, definitely. You gotta have stamina and just focus on one stairs at a time versus...
You need to focus on this lipstick. Okay.
Versus looking at...
One crawl.
One crawl at a time, you know?
I was crawling up these steps by the time we got up here. No, but it's definitely worth it. Easily one of the prettiest sights I've seen in Thailand. So if you are in Krabi, you definitely want to come and check this place out. And there's our beach out that way. We're going to be doing that tomorrow, but we wanted to get the hike out of the way. Get some scenic views of Thailand. Priceless. Okay, what do you say? Time to head down?
Yes, let's do it.
Oh my God, here we go. I am taking the video of going down because no one ever does the video going down. They always do the video going up. But damn, saw so many people breaking going down. I mean, it must be worth taking a video. Babe, we were at 12:19. We are almost there. We've almost made it. The home stretch.
The word that says almost doesn't even like fit into the situation.
I'm gonna tell everybody coming up, you're almost there. You're almost there. Only 5 more minutes. You're almost there. You're not close at all. That's what they told me. It's not true. You're going to 1260 and you're at 11 something now. So you got about 100 more steps. How do you feel?
Tired. Back.
Good answer. Well, as you come down, you actually get to take in the scenery a little bit more, because when you're coming up, you're near death. You're dying, you can't breathe, you're gasping for air. But going down, all you feel is your quads. These quads are going, they're burning. Once again, we want to look at how steep these steps are. Just straight down, literally. how steep this is, guys. Do you see how steep this is? I had to go up with this. Every step is hard. Straight up, dude. It's just straight up.
10 minutes, right?
Oh, we're killing it. You're right about the 1 hour, but I'm not going to tell anyone on YouTube about that.
I think Goita is much more easier, right?
Yeah, until you get jello legs like I have.
Oh yeah.
What are you at? What step are we at now? 500? 669? Yeah. So you're halfway there.
Let's go.
Good luck, guys. It's hard. It doesn't get any easier. Ah! You're not close at all. Is it? Shit. Hold on. Okay, so it's starting to rain a little bit. I told you we picked rainy season to come do this. Dumb, but we're here. So I don't want to get stuck on these steps with rain. Could be an NW. We got some. My legs are like jello. Okay. So like I said, no one really makes the video coming down. They always make the video going up. It still took 30 minutes to come down. I have jello legs. It wasn't super easy. I felt it. I had to take a break. One. But no, and it started raining. But hopefully you guys got some perspective from some of the people going up the mountain as we come down the mountain. And now you know, if you want to visit this beautiful temple in Krabi. So, are you ready to go get on a boat?
Yes.
Let's do it. 4 Island tour next.